All right, well, hey everyone, I am here with a FortiOS tip for you. If you're someone that likes using keyboard shortcuts, you're going to want to check this out. I'm logged into a FortiGate right now, and if I press Control P, it brings me up a list of shortcuts that I can use to navigate to items that are in the menu. So for example, I can scroll down and find what I'm looking for, or I can just key it in. Like if I want to get to the page for DNS, I'll type DNS, I'll hit enter, and it brings me to that menu page. It's also really useful if I can't remember how to navigate to something in the left-hand menu. Instead of scrolling around with my mouse trying to find it, I can press Control P. Maybe I'm looking for firewall policy. I type policy, I hit enter, and I navigate to that page right away. I can also press Control P, and if I tab over one more, I get a list of helpful commands. Again, I can arrow down through those commands, or let's say I'm just looking for packet capture, for example. I type packet capture, or the first few letters of what I'm looking for, hit enter, and then I'm at that page. Also, as of FortiOS 7.6, if I press Control P and tab over a few more, I can get to CLI diagnostics. And so I can arrow through and find the diagnostic command that I'm looking for. Or let's say maybe I'm working with VPN, I'm doing some VPN troubleshooting. I can just type VPN, and then I've got a list of all of the common VPN diagnostics that I can run from the CLI. All right, everyone. Well, I appreciate your time. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll talk to you next time.